Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering 3 items: the Xbox 360 wireless controller, the Xbox 360 USB wireless receiver, and a Switch-compatible adapter. Plug the adapter into the Switch dock USB port. Once done, connect the Xbox 360 receiver into the adapter. Make sure the Switch is powered on and in TV mode so the dock provides USB power. You're not pairing the controller yet. This step ensures the hardware chain is ready, and the Switch can recognize third-party USB input devices. Next, power the controller. Press the big guide button until the ring flashes. Press the connect button on the Xbox 360 wireless receiver, then press the tiny sync button on the controller. The LEDs will stop flashing when paired. If the adapter has a pairing mode or button, follow its order. Adapter first, receiver second, controller last. Make sure to update the adapter firmware via PC if the device supports it. Firmware fixes compatibility and reduces input lag, so that step often resolves subtle connection issues. Finally, confirm the controller works by navigating the Switch home screen and testing button inputs in a game. Note button mapping differences and adjust in-game if required. If the controller isn't detected, disconnect and reseat each USB connection, power cycle the Switch dock, and retry pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: update the adapter's firmware and try a different powered USB port or a powered hub. Many connection failures stem from outdated firmware or insufficient USB power. Replace the receiver if
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.